Hey everybody, welcome back to Plan All the Things. Jody here. Today I'm going to be planning my classic Happy Planner for December 7th through the 13th. I'm going to be using some Happy Planner stickers here from one of their holiday kits, so I'm super excited. I'm going to start off here by putting down a task box in the far left column of the note section, leading off with red, of course. I know last week I did a little bit of a non-traditional color scheme. This is going to be more of traditional holiday colors. Now that I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and lay my washi. This reminds me of candy canes. It's kind of a red and white stripe. So fun. I'm going to go with the red task box theme for this layout. I'm just feeling kind of traditional for this one. This will be Monday's task area. This will be Wednesday's. This will be Tuesday bullet list. And then for Thursday, I'm going to kind of make my own task area using some of these quarter boxes. One thing I love about doing these holiday layouts is I have no shortage of holiday stickers. So I can really kind of let loose and have fun and be creative. Mix and match, stay with one theme, one sticker book if I want. This will be for Friday. And then typically I put my box in the lower right, but today I'm feeling different. I'm going to put it in the upper left. Feeling rebel. Going to be rebel-y. Part of the theme for this spread will be trees, Christmas trees. So I have my oak Christmas tree up in the upper left. And now I'm just adding some decorative accents. Love this Santa pattern full box sticker. And then to bring the blue over on the right side that I had on the left side, got this cute bell sticker. Jingle and mingle. What would a layout be without a big quote sticker, right? So I'm adding now some transparent stickers. This is a little icon to remind me to get my cards finished and sent. I really want to use up the rest of the stickers on this page, so that's my motivation. These are some cute little hearts. Add some holly berries. There's another tree. I don't know, the Santas in this sticker book kind of weirded me out, but I like the trees and the other decorative elements. My mom had this kind of Santa toy, stuffed toy, I don't know what you'd call it. It was a doll, and she got it when she was a little girl. Think circa 1940s, late 1940s, and she loved it, but it looked kind of scary. The expression on the face was a little creepy. So we called it Scary Santa. And I kept Scary Santa as long as I could for sentimental reasons, because I knew she loved it. But eventually I had to send it to my sister. Let it be her problem. So I did want to use up, these stickers though. So I kind of cut the Santa in half. And put him over the bridge of the binder spiral. So that at least made him look a little less scary. I will say part of what I liked about this sticker book was kind of its Nordic theme. I don't know, maybe I'm interpreting too much, but I'm Swedish by descent. My family is from Sweden. And so I kind of appreciated what I perceived as a little bit of a Nordic theme with this particular sticker theme. Or sticker book, I should say. So now I'm going in and just adding some holiday related task headers. And not necessarily because I might do these things on this day, but just, definitely reminders, but also ties in with the theme. Just adding some other decorative elements. And then on this one quote page, I saw they had some snowflakes. So I thought up around where the dates are, I'd add some transparent snowflake stickers. And I add some candy canes to help tie in the candy cane pattern of the washi tape. And here's some mistletoe. You know, I like if there is a sticker that can kind of like correlate with another sticker, using both. Because again, to me that just adds dimension. It's kind of like the same but different. Here I'm adding a little snowman next to that Christmas tree. And yeah, I think that is going to do it for this spread. I really can't see anywhere else I want to add anything. I really think it turned out cute. I love it. I think it's going to be very functional for me. So I'm excited about this week. Now the second week in the holiday season. Definitely need to be finishing up my cards and gifts. Making sure they get there in time. And yeah. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and close the way I close all of these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And until next week, guys, have a good one. Bye for now.